In this video, I will show you an alternative method to how you can deactivate WordPress plugins in bulk directly through the file manager. And before proceeding with the steps shown in this video, please make sure to have a full backup copy of your WordPress site, including the database. Once that's done, we'll log into your hosting account and then go to control panel areas such as cPanel, and then look for File Manager. Go ahead and open it. Within the File Manager, look for the root directory where your WordPress is installed. Usually it's within the public_HTML. So let's click on the folder, and within the public HTML folder, look for the folders such as WP admin, content, and includes. The folder of interest is WP-content. Let's double click on it. Now look for the plugins folder, which is right here. Within the plugins folder, you'll see all the plugins which are currently installed on your WordPress site. So in order to deactivate them at the same time, we have to rename the plugins folder. So let's go back, then look for the plugins folder, right click on it, select rename, and then just add -inactive, and then click rename file. So we've successfully renamed the plugins folder. Now let me go back to the WordPress plugins page and let's try refreshing it. And as you can see that every plugin has been deactivated due to an error, plugin file does not exist. And that's because we renamed the plugin folder. So once again, let's go back to the file manager. Let's locate the plugin-inactive folder, right click on it, rename, and now remove -inactive like this. And now once again, click on rename file. Now let me go back to WordPress plugins page once again. Let's refresh it. And as you can notice that the errors have disappeared and now every plugin is listed as inactive. Now moving forward, you can activate them individually by clicking activate, or you can activate them all in bulk by selecting all the plugins on the page, click on bulk actions, activate, apply. And we've just activated all the plugins. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found helpful, and for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.